So I am here and I am excited to talk to you guys all about this blow dryer. It's the model TE10. So I just got out of the shower and I am excited to try this out. So let's open it up and see everything that has inside. This blow dryer is going to allow your hair to dry just that much faster, along with not damaging your hair. The blow dryer is also going to be able to help remove static and reduce frizz, and then bring out just that natural shine. As you can see as I'm blow drying my hair here, just the shine that it has. You're going to have 3 different heat settings. One is going to be for hot and one is going to be a circulation. So it's going to go between hot and cold, and then one is going to be cold. And then there are also 3 different wind speeds. And so you're going to have a low, medium, or high. All right, you guys, so overall, really liked this blow dryer. It is very lightweight, and so I really like the sleekness of it. The fact is that you're gonna have 3 different nozzles to be able to use. You're gonna have the different settings here, and also the 3 different wind speeds. And so thank you guys so much for watching the review of the blow dryer. I definitely recommend it. It blow dried my hair so quickly. It did not feel too hot on there. It was absolutely perfect for blow drying my hair. So thank you guys so much for watching the review, and I hope you guys found it helpful.